This demonstration provides a brief workflow for placing pipes into the design model and database. To begin, we will go to the Drainage Layout command and choose the Pipe tab. The first thing we will do in this dialog is go down and hit the Options button, which will bring up the Drainage Options dialog, and we will be able to go to the Pipe tab to determine exactly which pipe we will place back over on the Drainage Layout command. In this case, we will place a circular pipe, reinforced concrete, and we will change the size to 18 inch, and this reads from the structures.dat file. We can also give it some default values here, minimum slope and maximum slope and cover, that'll warn us as we place our pipe. When we hit apply and close, we'll go back to the Drainage Layout command. We can now identify the upstream and downstream structures that the pipes will be connected to. To identify a structure to connect to, we will hit the upper locate button next to the upstream ID. This will go into the design file and look for a structure that's already placed in the database. When we identify the structure, its information is populated in the upstream location field along with its invert in the invert in location. We will now go pick a downstream structure already existing out in the design file. Once we choose the upstream and downstream structure, the invert in and invert out and slope are automatically populated for us, and we can come in and change these values as we desire. If I change the slope to a 1% slope and hit apply, the pipe will be placed as defined. Now the pipe that was the downstream pipe is moved over and is now the upstream pipe. And if I want to place a pipe with a free exit, I'll hit the locate button down at the bottom next to the northern easting field and go and locate the location of the outfall of that pipe. Again, I can change the slope from what was presented to me initially by the command. Hit apply, and the pipe is placed.